G'day guys, my name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity.
And today we are taking a look at Only in Australia, Australian Stereotypes, Double Hard Stop, Georgia Productions.
I assume that means that this is a Georgia production. This video was requested to us by Amber Jade XX. I added that extra. There's only 2 X's. I was just trying to keep it naughty for you guys.
What if it's Amber Jade X?
Jade X. It could be Amber Jade XX.
Just throwing the extra X. Okay.
Exactly. Anyways. That's what I'm saying. So yeah, again, thank you. So I've never seen Amber Jade XX in the suggestion box. So thank you for the suggestion, guys. If you want to suggest a video to us, there's a link in our description down below that will take you to our Discord, and you can suggest videos you want us to check out in there, and you will get a shout out as well. Also, down in the description will be the link to this video if you guys want to go check out the original channel and give them a subscribe if you like this video. But with that being said, before we hop in, if you guys would, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. It truly helps us out in getting these videos out to more people. Also, if you would, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon. That way you guys can stay informed on our future videos.
Please.
And if you'd like to help support the channel even more and get an exclusive YouTube short shout out, click that join button down below. Let's see what only happens in Australia. I feel like we've seen so many only in Australia videos.
Right.
But they're all so different.
Some of the stuff it does overlap, but it's usually like the very, very like heavy, like very on par type things that everybody agrees is always in Australia.
Right.
So today I'll be clearing up some of those Australian stereotypes that the rest of the world thinks are true. Now some of these stereotypes are very stretched. So stretched they could almost snap. Like a thong. What are you talking about? Thongs don't stretch. Yeah they do. No they don't. I know that because I'm wearing one right now. Really? Yeah, check it. Kmart, $5.
Kmart.
Bargain.
Y'all have Kmart?
We lost Kmart.
Yeah, we ain't got
years
Kmart.
ago. We lost Kmart.
I think there's like 3 or 4 of them like in the country.
Oh really?
Yeah, something.
We used to have like 3 or 4 of them in our city.
Yeah, no,
Mississippi.
they used to be everywhere, but no, now it's just not a thing.
So this is Georgia.
Georgia. Dude, I'm impressed. That's a great intro.
Hey, hi. Hello. It's me,
Hello.
Georgia. So as I said before, here are some Australian stereotypes that I hear from non-Australians all the time. Because as far as I know, I'm pretty sure this is how the rest of the world views us. G'day, mate. Excuse me, have you seen my boomerang? Oh, you got any money for the bus, mate? Has anyone seen me didgeridoo? Stereotype number 1. We all ride kangaroos to school. So
I have sincerely never heard that one until we started watching these.
I feel like y'all have, like...
You guys tell people that, and that's why people think that.
So, there's a similar stereotype for Texans, and that's even within the country. Riding horses to school.
Yeah.
Or cows, or any farm animal, or possibly tractors. However, there is like a tractor day in some parts of Texas where people do actually drive their lawnmowers or tractors to school. It's usually like senior day type stuff.
Yeah.
this isn't exactly true because next to our platypus pond, we've got our kangaroos parked that we ride to school with every morning. But on Wednesdays, we catch the wallaby. You can't even sit on a kangaroo, let alone ride one. Right, so do you think it's like the usual to pull up at a stoplight and see this? G'day, mate. Oh, nice car. What brand is it? Oh, thanks. A BMW. Oh, nice. Nice kangaroo. What brand is it? A male. Oh, nice. Yeehaw. But I can understand why people would think that because, fun fact, there are actually more kangaroos in Australia than there are humans.
Wow.
Look at me, knowledgeable.
I did not know that.
And that brings me to my next topic. Every animal in Australia will kill you. Which isn't
Definitely
true.
emus.
Like, yes, there are some snakes here and there, but that doesn't mean they're around us all the time. If anything, they're just minding their own business. They're actually gorgeous creatures that are...
I would just like to stop and say this is a very well put together video. So
It really is. I just want to see the friend like doing this on the side. Like,
No, I think it's her like adding it in post production.
oh, that would be impressive.
just very misunderstood. There's honestly nothing to be scared of. Nothing here can hurt you. Everyone's just overreacting. There's nothing, there's nothing to be scared of.
Oh yeah, you're probably right.
Yeah.
You all know I have a fear of paper. What are you trying to do? If you live in Australia, in the bush, in the country, or even in the city, you would know that your bathroom is always occupied.
Oh God, spider in the toilet or something. Yeah.
My butthole just puckered up. I don't know why I was so
Stereotype
very
2. That all Australians talk
my bad.
like this. G'day, mate. A phrase I only ever hear 50-year-old men say. Cost truth. Also 50-year-old men. Never expected seeing you here on this fair dinkum arvo. You larrikin, you know me. Can't pass up a good shrimp on the barbie.
Okay, first off, she looks like Millie Bobby Brown right there. Second,
You know, that's who she looks like. She does look like Millie Bobby Brown. I was trying to put my finger on it.
if you're somebody that likes to grill and you don't do the lobster claw when you're grilling,
I do that in the kitchen every time.
like if
I'll
you,
pop the thing.
I can't speak for females, but if you're a father and you don't lobster claw your meat grabbers,
The fuck?
your tongs, if you don't, then what are you doing?
Some meat grabbers.
Like, first off,
she looks like she's going for the meat grabbers.
no,
right there.
she's doing the L11 move off of Stranger Things, trying to mind blow you.
Hold it right there. Shrimp? Shrimp? Shrimp.
Mind
Shrimp.
what?
Shrimp. What the heck is shrimp? Nobody in Australia, nobody calls it shrimp. I don't think I've ever heard that
Stupid
word
people,
in my
it's
life.
prawn.
It's a prawn. Not a shrimp, it's a prawn. I honestly...
Wait. So she's saying she's never heard that word in her life, and she's breaking down the stereotype.
Terrible.
Tisk tisk. We caught you in your
Well,
own
we
lie.
don't use the word prawn.
Yeah,
so
we don't use prawn either. Yeah, we don't use prawn either. Yeah, duh.
I've never heard that word.
Never.
prawn.
Not even right now.
No, I didn't hear it.
So, okay. I'm curious. So, I think you've done the research. Technically, a shrimp is a smaller prawn.
So what I've read is prawn are, and it's inaccurate, but prawn are freshwater and shrimp are saltwater. That can't be accurate because Australia is surrounded by saltwater, and that's where they get the majority of their
But
fish
just because
is out of the sea.
just because they call it something doesn't necessarily mean it has to be accurate.
Right.
So maybe I'm just curious. Like, we should actually do like some research.
We're gonna do some research.
And
And if
find
you
out-
guys want to let us know in the comments what the difference is between a shrimp and
And
a
if there
prawn.
is a difference, or if it's just two different cultures calling it two different things.
Right, because like in most of the Asian countries that we've reacted to and stuff,
They have both.
they have shrimp and prawn.
Yeah.
And they can't even tell us what the difference is.
Yeah, they're just
So-
like, some people call it this, some people call it that, or maybe the smaller ones are called shrimp and the big ones are called prawns.
Yeah, but we got jumbo, those giant
no,
jumbo
no.
shrimp
Any
from the
sh-
coast,
any
and they're
prawn
like
or-
this big.
Yeah, no, if we call it, if it was this big and it resembled the same like genus, I don't know if that's the right word I'm supposed to use. I'm trying to, yeah, anyways. If it's like this big and it looks like a shrimp. we
Like a
call it-
mantis shrimp.
Yeah, no, that's what we call it. But
Yeah.
isn't that the title for it? Is there another, do they
Yeah,
call
no,
it
that's
mantis
the
prawns?
No, it's the mantis shrimp.
So who's right?
Well, maybe their
Or maybe there's
species
no
is
right.
called prawn.
Maybe there is no
The
right.
species might be prawn. I don't. Let us know.
Yeah, let us know
Don't
because
know
we
where
have
that
no idea. I'm
stereotype comes from
curious.
because no one says it, but it doesn't sound the same, does it? Oh, you larrikin, you know me. I love a good prawn on the barbie.
It doesn't.
Now,
sound
some people
good.
think we use our Barbies to cook everything, but that's not true. I only use them to cook some things. I don't need your help with everything.
Whoa, nudity.
Why
This
are you
is
naked?
YouTube.
But something we do, dude, is that we like to not use the letter R. What? R. I'm sorry, I don't know what you're saying. This is my first time at the dentist. What? No, R. Ah. What the rest of the world would say is
I like their
R.
personality.
We say it like R, and that's not how you're supposed to say it. We just don't use it. For example, car.
Real quick, on our last video, go check it out. What was the video about?
He was interviewing.
Oh yeah, the interviewing
foreigners.
video. Yeah, one of the women from Australia said Australia.
Australia.
So and I've noticed that and not everybody. I think it's just probably different.
Well, but that's not. She didn't say R. She
That's-
said Australia.
But
She just
she
used an
sounded the
R.
R.
She used the sound that we would use for the letter R.
car.
But if they say R, they say ah.
No, but she said Australia, which is not car. Cur.
There's no R there. Where
Is that because of a region where she's from, probably, or like who uses the Australia? Because I've heard that even in British English. So sorry.
Barbie. Supposed to say it. We just don't use it. For example, car, Barbie, charger, beer, container, computer, jar, chair. Yeah, jar. That's a pencil. I'm so confused. Bear, heart, hat.
Wait, what word did she say that sounded like?
The next stereotype is all Australians can surf. All Australians can surf.
I don't know what I'm saying.
No. Well, I mean,
I'd like
I
to
can
surf.
So here's some footage of me surfing.
She has a helmet on.
Is that really you surfing though? Because if so,
Oh,
that's
crap,
badass.
Wait, wrong footage. Sorry, that was Saber Norris.
Okay.
This is me. And the last stereotype is all Australians are crazy about Vegemite. This isn't
I
even
bet
true.
you I could not keep up with even that.
Nowhere near true. I can't believe some people think we live off it. Personally, I love Vegemite, like I really love it, but there is some Australians who don't like it. Now the rest of the world thinks we eat it like Nutella, like straight out of the jar. Now of course it would taste absolutely disgusting if you took a whole spoonful and shoved it in your mouth. This ain't no chocolate and hazelnut, people. This is yeast extract. You're not
It was Barbie. So if you say Barbie like the doll, and then y'all call the barbecue pit Barbie, how do you know what you're talking about?
Bobby.
I'm gonna go play with my Bobby. How do I know if you're not gonna go? If you're a grown ass man, you might be talking about barbecue versus a Barbie, but you might be talking about a Barbie. I don't know what shit you're into.
I'd like to see her collab with Isaac.
She's a lot less vulgar,
She's less vulgar,
but it might be just because of the
but like
video.
where she said,
and shoved it in your mouth. This ain't no chocolate and hazelnut, people. This is yeast extract. You're
That
not supposed
reminded
to
me of
eat it
him.
in big proportions. That's why you only need a
He
tiny bit on
sounded
the
the
knife
same.
and
Yeast
spread it on after
extract.
butter. So that's it for this video. I really hope I helped you understand Australia a bit
I like
better.
that.
And
I do too.
It's not just because she's cute. I like her.
Let's check out her channel real quick. She's got 1 million subscribers.
She's awesome.
She's made it.
Yeah, rub it in.
Let's see. Her last video was uploaded 4 weeks ago. She looks like she's pretty consistent with uploading. Guys, go check out Georgia.
If you haven't already.
Yeah. I'm going to subscribe just so we can check out. So she'll pop up on some of our stuff. And you know what? If we don't like her, we don't like her. And we unsubscribe to you, Georgia. But as of right now, we like you.
As of right now, we like.
And that was a good video. I enjoyed that.
That was clever.
Yeah, very clever.
She got unboxing video. We should do an unboxing video.
We've done a few.
No, that's true.
Probably at least once every other week.
I need more boxes to unbox.
Guys, you should send us some Tim Tams Murray River salted caramel to be exact.
Guys, we appreciate everything that y'all send us, but we don't need them. I mean, don't get me wrong.
We need Murray River.
I'm trying to eat
caramel.
better, and I haven't been doing a great job. I literally had Whataburger today.
I stuck to my diet 100% today.
So you didn't eat anything all day today.
I had 3 tilapia fillets and some cauliflower rice for dinner.
I need to pull out the tilapia out of the freezer rather.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do so after this. It's gonna be way too late, but I've literally eaten a third of a hamburger all day, and I've been boiling all day. So I think I'm gonna actually do some eggs with some.
It's kind of late for that.
It's not heavy, so.
Okay.
Guys, if y'all have other videos like this to suggest to us, I'm so tired. Please, link down in the Discord is in the description.
The Discord link is in the description down below.
Words. But guys, if y'all enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see our future videos, hit the
Subscribe button.
and bell notification. If you want to support us directly, hit that join button. And with that being said,
My name is Miles.
and my name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace, peace, peace.
Out.